traffic light waits for you to tell me the tale of a shattered life. Tonight, had I just passed by, would you have had the chance to fight? Or would you spend your last days alone, thinking nobody would have cared or known?